Hi, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be telling you how to assemble your Steelcase Series 2 chair purchased at crandalloffice.com through the Steelcase Authorized returns program. Now we do ship our chair slightly different than Steelcase does. The seat will be off, the back will be attached, so all we're going to need to do is install the casters, cylinder, and seat on the chair, and you should be good to go. It's going to be real quick, so let's get started. Your chair will ship with the following parts: the base, casters, gas cylinder, seat, and chair core. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is take the base and install each caster one at a time. They're just going to be press fit, so it should go in pretty easily for you. Next, with the casters installed, we're going to flip the base upside down and install the gas cylinder with the large side down. Just going to slide in, should lock into place. So next, we're going to take the chair core, we're going to flip the core upside down so that you can see the receiving hole for the gas cylinder. We're going to take this cylinder and install it into the chair core. Now we're going to flip this chair up on its own, but we're going to make sure to apply some pressure between the chair core and the base to make sure nothing falls apart, as that cylinder is not fully locked into place yet. So next, we're going to be taking the seat on the chair, and you can see that we have an opening on this side of the seat. That's what you're going to line up with these two rails here. And then you're going to pull the seat depth lever to make sure that that fully engages. And then we're going to test, make sure everything's working properly. This one seems to be working properly. Next, we're going to stand up. We're going to test the gas cylinder. Make sure that's working properly. Everything appears to be working properly, so your chair is good to go and ready to use. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions, don't ever hesitate to reach out to us on our website, crandalloffice.com, or on our Facebook page. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.